We seem to have put a dent into Majestic's mind control efforts, but they won't stay down for long. However, if we can harness the massive power of television,
we could brainwash the whole country.
We can easily transmit our signal on normal television frequencies. All we require is a suitable guise, a persona the humans will trust. My research indicates one possibility. A human television presenter called Bert Wither. But he's made himself scarce. Perhaps he got wind of what you did to Sleepy Ernst.
Forgive my impertinence, but you are an alien, are you not?
How'd you guess?
I knew it! I knew it! My prayers have been answered! On behalf of all the nations of the Earth, I welcome you to our planet, oh friend from another world.
Gee, thanks. Means a lot.
Enough chit-chat! We need to find Bert Wither. Where is he, pathetic crackpot human?
You want Bert Wither? You got him! Follow me!
Perfect.
Please, come with me.
Follow that crackpot. Never mind that he's crazy. He's our only lead.
I hide secret stuff here. Nothing special, just my baseball cards, my bottle cap collection, my notes on 11-dimensional superstring theory. But don't tell anybody, okay? Scan me, scan. They've got electric force fields around the perimeter. You can turn them off, though. Just shoot the machine. I stash stuff here, too. You can have anything you find if you spit on it. Scan me, scan me, scan me. You better stay low. They have gun turrets around the perimeter, too. A whole ton of them on the water side. What? Hey, the cook at this diner takes food to Bert Wither. He's the only one who gets past the force field and the guards. Watch out for the... If that crackpot scientist is correct, Bert Wither is under heavy guard, and only this cook is allowed near him. You should use this cook to reach Bert Wither.
A house in the suburbs, a loving wife, a happy family, mowing on Saturday, church on Sundays, working for my daily bread, and a shed full of power tools.
Crypto, be very careful. This area appears to be heavily fortified.
That Bert Wither guy's gotta be around here somewhere. Be careful, you!
Audie Murphy is a pussy. Now John Wayne, that's a man's man. Wonder if anybody'd notice if I went AWOL.
Where is the Salisbury steak from Mr. Wither? He's starving. Is it that hard to find him up the stairs on the second floor of the docks?
Please, don't hurt me. I'll do anything you say. I swear.
You bet your ass you will. Come on, birdie boy. I got a little job for you.
It's hurting.
Get out of the way.
Watch it.
In the name of
Everybody off. Crying out loud. What do I have to do to get a little? Don't bump into me. Just don't. I can take it. You're going out of business. Get me. You're blocked. Hey, be calm. Officer! You can... Auto combustion and baby!
Move over!
You're right.
Police!
Damn it! This fire's gonna ruin my suit.
A saucer upgrade, perhaps? No? How about your gun or your abilities? Hmm? The success of the broadcast depends on you, Crypto. You must protect those towering transmission towers! Each tower has a transmitter at its base. If the army want to stop the broadcast, they'll have to take out those transmitters first.
Regiments 2 and 4, form up the main junction. 1 and 3, take the flank. Attack waves, target the infrastructure. I want those comm towers out of commission. Support waves, your task is simple. Destroy the communist insurgents holding the television station. No beet-eating, vodka-swilling, Trotskyite son of a bitch is gonna hijack this great nation's God-given airways. Not on my watch. Charge!
Incoming from the north!
SMCBS will bring you further news as it unfolds. Good day, John and Jane America, from north to south, from sea to shining sea. This is Bert Wither, coming to you live from a secure SMCBS studio at an undisclosed location in America's sunshine capital, Santa Monica, with a special news bulletin. For years, America has been a beacon of hope to the world, but today comes disturbing proof. Our very way of life is under attack. Our great nation devoured from within by a malignant tumor of corruption. Yes, you heard it here first. The very heart of power in the United States.
Tower 1 is under fire! Let him have it, Crypto!
Bent to a crooked will. The insidious nature of this cancer. Right after a word from our sponsor. Unease sweeps the country like a fever. Police flout civil liberties, arrest innocent people without cause, even brazenly engage in criminal and unconstitutional behavior. I have here a secret affidavit signed by the chief of the Santa Monica Police Department, attesting not only to the existence of these abuses, but to their orchestration by an agency of our own federal government. Up to now, many Americans believed such a thing could never happen here in the land of liberty, but happen it has. More to come after these commercial messages.
Tower 1 is under fire! Let him have it, Crypto!
Let's get it on!
Tower 1 is under fire! Let him have it, Crypto! 2 is under fire! Come on, Crypto! Do that voodoo that you do so well!
You're blocking my shot! Get out!
Tower 2 is under fire!
Move over! Mission! Let's get it! They didn't cover it! Tanks! Roll in the tanks! Show them some American steel!
The federal agency behind the new terror on our streets. The terror of cops gone bad. But if policy is corrupt, what are the government responsible? SMCBS has acquired extensive documentary footage. Shadowy federal agents in reasonably priced black suits in Rockwell, Santa Monica, even Capital City. Shown here abducting innocent citizens in unmarked black sedans. No arrest records exist. Yet to date, over 1,100 people have disappeared. Their families kept in the dark. And still, the U.S. government remains silent. Refuses to acknowledge these abductions ever took place. Why has our government deserted us? Stay tuned. My fellow citizens, we must face the terrible truth. The powers that be in this nation no longer lead us, but oppress us. Under guise of national security from a communist threat or a conspiracy of silent abductions, one thing is certain. President Hoffman must answer. But will he? Even as I speak, our mighty military strives to stop this broadcast, only through the brave efforts of our SMCBS. Staff, have they been held off this long? The truth is damning, and because it's finally...
Tower 2 is being
For
attacked!
the first time in our history has marshaled American armed forces against the American people. We are no longer safe. Or are we? The shocking final answer next.
Tower 1 is being attacked! Tower 2 is being attacked!
Permission to...
Tower 2 is under fire!
Move it or lose it!
Tower 2 is half destroyed! What part of defend the towers don't you understand?
out those towers now! All units, attack! Attack! Attack!
We have only a few moments until the army destroys our building. They're deploying tanks and... Good Lord, giant robots! We cannot survive for long! But in these moments, I want to share a new hope. SMCBS correspondents have uncovered something incredible. For the first time in history, proof that an alien race has visited Earth, and apparently repeated attempts to communicate their message, befriend all humans. Tragically, these gentle, intelligent creatures are being systematically exterminated by government agencies. Are these interstellar ambassadors our last hope for a peaceful human future? Could they help us take back America? May Providence smile upon us all. This is Bert Wither saying goodbye.
Drop your weapon!
Let's do this. Tower 2 is being attacked!
They didn't come around!
Tower 2 is under fire! Come on, Crypto! Do that voodoo that you do so well!
I can take it. You want a piece of this?
Ha! You scattered them like roaches! Marvelous! Space Invaders! Did you want a saucer upgrade? Or something a little more personal? Now we should be able to discover what happened to Crypto-136. My scans have identified several radioactive areas in your vicinity. But there is one in particular that looks like it could be a crash site.
I'm on it. Any of those baboons laid one hairy finger on me, I'll rip them a new asshole.
What have you discovered?
This is where 136 hit the dirt all right.
You found his ship?
A few little pieces, most of it's gone.
Wonder if anybody'd noticed.
Recover any Furon technology the humans may have found. And rescue Crypto-136.
Monkeys probably hitched the ship to their donkeys and dragged it back to their mud village so they can worship it as a god.
The brass always bust my chops. Jackasses. Man, do I hate marching. These boots suck.
Thunderheads like you! Any more questions? Don't give me any lip or I'll throw you in the brig.
Uh-oh. What do I do with my gun? It's not in my holster, not in my pants. Oh, it's in my hand. I knew I should have joined the Texas Air National Guard. Now that'd be some easy duty. Audie Murphy is a pussy. Now John Wayne, that's a man's man.
Where could these humans have imprisoned Crypto 136? Find out if one of these military monkeys knows more.
I'm so sick of guarding that stupid, shiny, round hunk of commie metal for those guys in the suits. Melt it down and turn it into cold, hard American ammo. I'd have a GI party with a toothbrush if I told the general to shut up and keep walking past that totaled UFO they make us guard. Those Majestic guys, golly, their boss is the real head cheese.
This Majestic stronghold must be where they are holding Crypto 136.
Lying discs are as real as the one crashed on his face. Majestic really is covering it all up. It's really working for me.
Let's get it! You think you can go 15 rounds? The entire Korean military! Your blood. On your knees! Orson Welles was right! It's free!
We're making a further analysis into this laboratory specimen's DNA strand. But Heinrich is more interested in making his Black Forest cakes.
That Klaatu freak in our lab better get us the results we need.
This Majestic stronghold must be where they are holding Crypto 136.
That Klaatu freak in our lab better get us the results we need.
The specimen in the laboratory is in remarkable condition. Only Darwin knows how that spindly neck does not snap in half under the strain of its massive cerebrum.
Those little Furon freaks can run, but they can't hide from us. I have to put them in the lab before Silhouette puts me there first.
really thought you'd be alive. Ah, Crypto. Look what they've done to us. Laid us open like an animal. How could intelligent creatures do this? Okay, monkeys. You want a war? You got a war.
What did you find, Crypto?
We're dead. An honorable death at the hands of an enemy in battle, that's one thing, Pox, but they desecrated us. And they're gonna pay. Oh, yes, they're gonna pay.
End up like your predecessor. Return to the mothership. We'll use that data tape.
Are you kidding me? If it's the last thing I do, I'm gonna make them pay.
Pay? Oh, we'll make them pay. Wait just a little longer and you'll see just how destructive we can be. Bring me that data tape at once. That's an order!
It's hurting. You're going down. You're going down, little man.
Step right up. Weapons, abilities, saucers, upgrades are us.